Alright, part 3. We're baking. So, we're gonna make the frosting for the cookies because they're already done. So, that's part of sugar. Let me scoop some for you. Oh, cookie does over there. Alright. Finished up. Now time to add the milk. Alright. Okay. 1. 2. 3. Alright, let me get my whisk. I got it. It's secretive. Alright.
Flippity?
What? How do you do it?
With this.
Oh, no wonder. That was so small.
See you later.
Okay, I'll get ready. Finally, I'm done. Now to separate it so we can ice everything. After I clean everything up, of course. Haha. Okay, so we're gonna separate them all into these little cups so we can frost them in different colors. Let me get to that. Finally. Now let me pick out the colors. Where's red? Here's red. Okay, now where's blue? Okay, I got blue. Now I need yellow. Found it. Now I need green. I can't find it. Come on. Green. Okay, that's all I think we need now. And now let me go color them. Alright, I made red. Now let's make yellow. Now we mix. Okay, all done. Now we get to make blue. Oopsie. Alright, time to mix. Alright, now we get to use a small amount of green. Okay, time to mix. Oh, and if you're wondering why these are so small, it's because I don't need too much of it. Oh, done. Now it's time to frost these yummy cookies. Time to get the cookies ready. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with you. There. And we go. Okay. Da 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 da. Making cookies is great. Good thing I made a lot of yellow. Alright, let's get a different cookie. No.
I'm making the video still. Maybe. Alright, quiet.
Okay, now let me do it this ball blue. There, alright. Done. Getting another cookie. Alright. Ready to go. Okay, ready. Hey. Oh, this is an apple, by the way. Okay. And we're done. Now we need the green for leaf. Alright, time to go to the next one. Oh, yeah, okay. Next one. No. Okay, now for the next one. Okay, I'll finish the rest. Part 2 is coming up.